Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you dealing with frustrating spacing issues in your Outlook signature? You see extra lines or weird gaps that won't disappear. This usually happens when you copy your signature from Word or a web page. Hidden formatting from these sources causes Outlook spacing problems. The simplest fix is stripping all that hidden formatting away. Here's how. Open a plain text editor like Notepad. If using TextEdit on Mac, ensure it's in plain text mode. Copy your entire signature and paste it into Notepad. This removes all invisible formatting codes, leaving only raw text. Copy this clean text from Notepad again. Now, open Outlook and access your signature editor. Go to File, then Options, Mail, then Signatures. Select the signature to fix. Delete all current content in the signature box. Paste your clean text from Notepad into Outlook's editor. Any bolding, italics, or specific fonts will be gone. This is normal. You must reapply your desired formatting, like bolding your name or adjusting font sizes, directly within Outlook's signature tools. Also, check line spacing settings inside the editor. By building your signature from plain text directly in Outlook, you gain full control and eliminate those stubborn spacing glitches permanently.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.